So I'm really happy to have the opportunity to speak to you this morning at the opening of this annual Carreer Summit and Expo. We have been fortunate that our government has focused on education as one of its main priorities.
It gives me pleasure to welcome you to the third annual Fibre Processing and Manufacturing Sector Education and Training Authority Career and Skills Development Summit. It is indeed an honor to be part of this well-organized and highly successful event, yet for another year. I would like to thank Cape Media for partnering with the Fibre Processing and Sector Education Authority in ensuring that the outcomes of this event are achieved.
I don't think we should let the minister go without asking her a question or two.
I have drafted a business plan for the business idea I have, so I don't know what's the next step to take.
Sepiso, you are here, my chief. The FP&M Seta has brought you here. Ask them that question. You're in the right space, my brother.
Spend time refining your skills. Spend time working on yourself. Spend time seeking mentors. So believe in yourself, young people.
Can you be our sponsor?
So I'm willing to get involved and I'm so inspired,
Often when we talk about the institutions of higher learning, we put universities as the ultimate.
Your future is in your own hands.
FP&M Seta is linked, created by the Department of Higher Education. We're working with NSDS3 that is creating and giving us direction of what the youth needs to do.
I'm not a skilled worker, but I'm interested in your company. And I have a potential and ability in this thing. Would you let me in?
As one of the 21 seaters, we basically give opportunities.
If you do what you're passionate about and what you're good at, learning will never be a core, and working will never be a burden.
When I finish grade 12, I want to be an actor.
Let me thank the organizers of this event, Fibre Processing and Manufacturing Seta. Thank you indeed for putting up this great show. We run one of the biggest internship programs in the country. We give students and graduates workplace training opportunities.
Oh, that song. Why make Malengo, Mara guys? What about you guys? We're about to go. Eh? DJ Gangan. Readers are leaders. Readers are leaders. Whatever you can think about and believe in your heart, you can achieve.
So I had to go back to school, even though I'm an actor. Sizwe, thank you, my brother.
There's no pilot who's going to fly an aeroplane without qualification or without information or without practical experience. Similarly to you, you are the pilot of your own career.
Good, you know why? Like Senzo said, school will fund your passions.
This is a lifetime opportunity, changing moment for you to be here with us, to be exposed to the information that you're going to be exposed to meet with the people that you're going to be meeting throughout the day, to be listening to and talking to and with some of those people, but to have the world opened up for you about opportunities that are available to you and for you.
My name is David Tlale. You have so much opportunity in your life. You have so much to give. You have so much to do. Stop wasting your time with unnecessary things. The last thing I'm going to tell you guys, stay at school. Stay at school. When you finish matric, continue your studies, become a graduate.
The morning was fantastically fantastic. Wow! I love it. My name is Felleng Yende. I'm the acting CEO of Fibre Processing and Manufacturing Seta. This is a very important event for us as a Seta. We are very excited to host you as our children and as our young people who are learning. Education is important. Education is everything.
Now, we're gonna talk about it. I want to hear that. But look at this. We've got the top 10 young South African millionaires.
So I believe I've got one of the coolest jobs on the planet. I get to travel, I get to meet people, I get to design, I get to be creative.
Right. Forward. Yo.
This activity, they both had the opportunity to get that 50 Rand, right? This is basically your life. And sometimes there's opportunities that you can't see. Just like the guy who was blindfolded, he couldn't see the 50 Rand, but he had to rely on a friend to get directions.
So he identified that problem, came up with a solution to address that problem.
When they say ayaya, you say easy, tiger. Ayaya.
Printing in the year 2020 has become digital. Let me tell you, it is a high-tech business, and I would encourage any of you to investigate going into the printing industry.
Which subjects are required to become a journalist?
So she asked a very, very brilliant question that if she wanted to study journalism, what exactly, like which subjects are required for her to go into that stream? So Grades Match is an app that actually answers that for you.
Because I told myself that I want to go and create jobs for so many young people.
That today we take this opportunity to grab whatever opportunities there for us to make changes.
In essence, what we do at our guide, young ladies and gentlemen, is find people like yourself that are willing to pay the price. What I mean by that is that are willing to work for a year to obtain a specific qualification.
So what I've learned today is life is full of opportunities, full of sculptures, full of wildness. So black people, this is your chance. Every school, I'm not talking about Gianna, every school you are here, this is your chance. I've got a chance to meet with David Lale. You've got a chance to meet with anyone, even maybe Lady Gaga, Chris Brown, everyone you want. So I say today, this is the day that the Lord has made.
It was amazing. I mean, we've done this for the past 4 years. On a scale of 1 to 5, I give this 5.5. It was an amazing event.